Two of the biggest AI video engines, Sora 2 and VEO 3.1, just landed on Artlist. Both promise cinematic quality, but which one is actually better? Today we're going to find out. I'm going to be comparing these two heavy hitters across 4 areas: realism, motion control, creativity, and consistency. Everything is going to be generated using these same styles of prompts right inside of Artlist. So let's go ahead and head over to artlist.io. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Let's go ahead and sign in at the very top. Now, once you sign up and sign in, just come on over to AI video. All right, now we can find all the supported models by coming right over here and clicking this, and you're going to see VEO 3 Fast, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, VEO 3.1, and the list goes on. Now for the first test, we're going to focus on realism and lighting. So here's my prompt: a cinematic shot of a man walking through neon Tokyo at night, rain on the pavement. And let's go ahead and click right here because I want to start with Sora 2. I'm going to go with 16:9, and we're going to go with 8-second duration. Let's go with 720p. All right, let's go ahead and click on generate for the first one. All right, while that's going on, we're going to fire up VEO 3.1 as well. So we've got the exact same prompt as last time. I'm going to come on over here and click on VEO 3.1. We're on 16:9. I'm going to go with 8 seconds, and I'm going to go with 720p just so everything is consistent. Let's go ahead and click on generate. All right, we've got our generation. So first up, we got Sora 2. And then next up, we got VEO 3.1. So like I said before, exact same prompt, and I kept all the settings the exact same too, like the aspect ratio, the time, the resolution, all that good stuff. All right, let's move on to test number 2. We're going to focus on motion and physics. So here's my prompt for this one: a surfer riding a wave in slow motion, water splashing towards the camera. We've got Sora 2 selected, 16:9, 8 seconds, and 720p. Let's go ahead and punch this one in. And then let's come on over to VEO 3.1. Let's click right here. All right, let's go ahead and click on generate for the VEO 3.1 demo 2. All right, here we go. Here's our Sora 2 version. And then here is Google VEO 3.1. All right, for this next one, we're going to focus on creativity and composition. So once again, let's come on over to Sora 2, make sure that's selected. And here's my prompt for this one: fantasy dragon soaring above a medieval city at sunrise. So once again, all the settings are the exact same. And I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. All right, that one is generating. So I'm going to go ahead and click on VEO 3.1. We've got everything else the same. So let's go ahead and click on generate. Here we go. So we've got our Sora 2 generation right here. Let's have a look. And then we have our VEO 3.1s. All right, now it's time to move into the fourth and final test. Now this test is going to focus on consistency and prompt fidelity. So here's my prompt: person painting a portrait, camera pans from canvas to their face. Sora 2 is selected, 16:9. We're going to go with 8 seconds, 720p. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And the same one for VEO 3.1, 16:9, 8 seconds, 720p. Let's punch this one in as well. All right, first up, we've got Sora 2. Let's have a look.
Every line has to feel like it belongs there. That's when it starts to look alive.
Then, of course, we have VEO 3.1. All right, so there we go. We put these to the test today, and I gotta say, we got a bunch of different results. Now, I want you to be honest. Did you think that Sora 2 was gonna completely mop the floor with Google VEO 3.1? Let me know in the comments below. Now, in my personal opinion, I thought VEO 3.1 looked a little bit more professional. It looked more realistic in terms of the detail, in terms of the overall vibe, but I get the feeling it totally depends on the prompt. Either way, both of these models push AI video into true cinematic territory, and you can access both of them right inside of Artlist. So if you wanna give give both a shot, head on over to Artlist.io. You can start for free, explore the AI suite, and see which one fits your style. With all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.